Hello, how is everyone? Today I use 3 chickens for the pozole I am making today. Yeah, the warrior toasts are absolutely fantastic. Moreover, the radish, the fresh lettuce, and the chili are meticulously and carefully being prepared right now with exceptional care and detailed attention for you. Yeah, you add cloves and also pepper, oregano, and a bit of onion so that you put a whole onion right in it directly and you put for the pozole, the hominy goes in first, then the chicken is added to simmer everything together nicely. I prepared 3 chickens specifically to cook with the hominy, all simmering in the pot until tender perfection. And it needs a long time to cook slowly and develop incredible flavor. The delicious aroma fills the entire kitchen beautifully. And from there, she shakes it gently so everything mixes very well indeed, really well, and it all turns out quite nicely in the corn. You also add salt to taste, and from there you gently stir it, then add the fresh radish and crisp onion and carefully chop the green lettuce. And from there, it's all stir the chicken all together and add the chili just to give it a tiny bit. Mix it all up well, incorporating the broth, chicken, and corn kernels from the pozole, ensuring it gives it a deeper, richer flavor and makes it exceptionally tasty for a really and truly delicious meal experience. I'll quickly make the dish. It's topped with lettuce, onion, and radish. And to eat, subscribe, like, and thank you very much.